Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ingesting Smart. Use Premiere's media browser and import Blackmagic BRAW or Pro Res clips directly into a matching sequence so you preserve metadata. Once done, confirm project color management and timeline color space. Set Rec. 709 or the Blackmagic film preset to avoid double grading. Make sure your sequence frame rate and resolution match the camera's settings. This prevents retiming artifacts. Finally, create optimized media, if needed for smoother playback, and enable audio channel mapping, so your clips are ready for editing. Now you move into the core edit and color workflow. Assemble your rough cut using proxies or optimized media for smooth scrubbing, then relink to originals for final export. For color, start with primary adjustments in Lumetri, balance exposure, contrast, and white balance, because primary fixes set the foundation for all downstream work. Next, apply a Blackmagic Filterec. 709 LUT or ACEs transform and refine using secondary masks to isolate skin and highlights. Make sure to check scopes frequently, so correct to finish, export through Adobe Media Encoder using source sequence settings, choose a suitable codec like ProRes or H.264, and enable maximum render quality and render at maximum depth to preserve detail. Make sure to embed color space metadata or include a sidecar so grading is preserved in delivery. If you see banding or playback stutter, relink to original BRAW/ProRes files, regenerate optimized media, or clear the media cache. These steps solve common performance and color mismatch issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.